Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to read the page number 10, 11. It's lesson 3 from learner's book of grade 3 and this is the unit 1. Okay, so let's start. Read these instructions and look at the picture. Which color team is doing each activity? Red, yellow, green or purple? Yellow, green, purple, red. So let's start. Match the questions with the answers. What are the children doing in green tops? So look here, these are the children in green tops. What they are doing? They are carrying boxes. So here we have to match it. They are carrying boxes. Okay. What is boy number 17 doing? Okay, where is the boy number 17? Yes, here it is the boy number 17. Here is the boy number 17. Okay, so what he is doing? He is climbing the wall. So here it is in D. Okay, so we have to match with the 2 with D. What are the children in yellow tops doing? They are tying ropes. So where is their tying rope? They are tying a rope around the tree. Okay, what is girl number 28 doing? Where is girl number 28? Girl number 25 and girl number 28. She is standing on a ladder. What is girl number 28 doing? She is standing on a ladder. Okay. So look here. Ask your answer to a more question about the picture. What is or what are? Okay. So you can ask from your partner that what is the girl number 22 doing. Okay. What is the boy number 12 doing? Okay. So you can make the questions by yourself. Word study. Thinks a lot of different questions. Think of lots of different answers to these questions. What can you push? Okay, what can you push? We can push the chair. Okay, what can you climb? I can climb the wall. I can climb the tower. Okay, what can you carry? Oh, so if you look at the picture, I can carry box. I can carry my bag. Okay, so here are the different variety of answers that you can reply in regarding with the different questions. Okay, remember we use the present continuous for action that are happening now. Okay, so what the children doing, they are doing at the moment. What we are doing right now, we are studying. Okay, we are reading. So this is present continuous tense because what is happening at the moment right now, it's called present continuous tense. We use the present continuous to describe picture. Example in picture 1, the boy is carrying a boxes. कहा है कि हम लोग प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस को किसी पिक्चर को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए भी बयान कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इस पिक्चर में हमारे लिए सामने सारा काम है जो अभी हो रहा है. ठीक है, दैट इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ. सो आपने याद रखना है कि जो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस है उसमें क्या होता है. द डेफिनेशन इज समथिंग इज इन प्रोग्रेस और समथिंग इज happening right now or something is happening at the moment. Okay, and you have to use ing with the verb, first form of verb plus ing. Okay, now next page is read and listen to the poem in ground to 10 about and find the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words? Rhyming words mean same sound. Rhyming words mean same sound. Okay, so next is find a word in the poem that means the same as love, turn, round, begin. Okay, get set, ready now. Jump right in, bounce and kick and giggle and spin. Listen to the rope when it hits the ground. Listen to that clap-a-dee, slap-a-dee sound. Jump right up when it tells you to come back down. Whatever you do, count to 100, count by 10. Start to count all over again. That's what jumping is all about. Get set, ready now. Jump right out. Okay, so here is the, you can say laugh, and it is all about giggling is also related with it. Okay, turn round. You can take turn around. So spinning is also about turn around. Okay, so begin, start. These are the word that have the same meaning. Okay, so let's start. Pretend you are skipping, count up to 100, one number with each jump. Okay, you have to count up to 100, one number with each jump. When you say a number that ends in 5, kick your leg 15, 25, 35. When you say a number that ends in 0, spin around 10, 20, 30. So, this is all about your activity that you can do, okay? So, action verbs are the things you can do like jump, sit, and giggle. These are the action verbs. How? Because these all words are showing different actions. Make a list of action verbs on page number 10, 11. How many can you find? Think of more words to add to your list. Okay, let's start. So we can find out the action word from here. So carry is also an action. Okay. Tying is also an action. Pass is action. Climb is action. Climb is an action. And jump is an action. Giggle, kick, and jump and count. These words are action words. You can find out as many as you can, if you know that what are the verbs, you can find it by yourself. So verbs क्या होते हैं? Action होते हैं. कोई भी हम काम करते हैं उसको हम verb कहते हैं. That writing, sleeping, listening, um, tying, reading, writing, jumping, singing. These are also action, or these words are also called verbs. Okay, जो भी action show करते हैं उनको हम verb कहते हैं. Okay, so you have to identify different verbs from page number 10 to 11 by yourself. Thank you, dear students.